In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Claude in Perplexity and how to change the AI model within Perplexity, especially if you're on the hunt for the best products on Amazon. It's a straightforward process, but having a step-by-step guide makes it effortless. Let's dive right in. Begin by opening your preferred web browser and heading straight to Google. In the search bar, you'll want to type Perplexity. This is the first step to accessing the tool you'll be working with today. Once you hit enter, you should see a list of search results. Look for the official Perplexity website in that list and click on it. This will take you directly to the Perplexity platform, where you'll perform the rest of your tasks. Once you're on the Perplexity site, it's time to create a prompt. Your prompt should be specific to the type of information you're seeking. In this case, you're interested in discovering the top 10 best-selling products on Amazon this week. You'll want to convey that you're looking for detailed information with images and links for each item, as well as short descriptions explaining why they're currently trending. This step is essential as it sets the parameters for the type of information Perplexity will gather for you. Having set up your prompt, the next action is to switch the AI model to one that suits your needs best. For this video, we're focusing on selecting the model known as Claude AI 4.5. To get there, locate and click on the Models option within the Perplexity interface. This is a crucial step where you can explore different models, offering unique capabilities and outputs to suit the specific nature of the data you're searching for. After clicking on Models, you'll see various options available. Here, you need to find Claude AI 4.5. Selecting this model ensures that the response you receive is aligned with what Claude is known for, providing precise and insightful output, especially useful for product discovery and trends. With your model now selected, the final step is to submit your query. You'll typically find a Submit button prominently displayed. Click on it to initiate the process. Once submitted, the system will process your request, utilizing the Claude AI 4.5 model to provide you with a curated list of Amazon's best-selling products. The results should include the images, links, and little notes on why these particular items are popular right now. And there you have it, a simple, effective way to utilize Claude in Perplexity to find trending products on Amazon. Try exploring different prompts and models to see how the information you receive can vary. Thanks for tuning in today, and happy shopping!